I'm team, I don't know. Probably, I don't know.
Amazon's choice. It's a trick question.
I got my main from the Cubicle, but the other cubes are like from SpeedcubeShop, so I'm team SpeedcubeShop.
There. Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
Which is good for them because
Amazon.
Yeah. Let's go. I don't even know how much like people are here.
Cubicle. Cubicle.
Oh shit. If you want to, it's enough. Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
What?
Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
SpeedcubeShop all the way.
Wait, hold
Are you team
on.
Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
Cubicle,
This?
I'm going to Speedcube.
Okay.
You want to see a 10 by 10? This is actually a 10 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10.
Oh god, I just knew that.
Oh my god. It's a 10
Do
by
the
10.
math, guys. Hashtag do the math.
Amazing.
What was that?
Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
I actually have a 0 by 0. I don't know if you can see it.
Oh my god.
Kind of small.
Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
Amazon.
what?
Okay. I don't cube is actually an option. Cubicle.
I don't cube.
Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
Rubik's.
Amazon and I don't cube is an option.
What do you say?
And Rubik's. SpeedcubeShop or Cubicle? Amazon's an option. Is it?
Rubik's.
Rubik's forever.
Amazon.
Oh god. Amazon.
Rubik's all the way.
Team Rubik's. Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
I'm Cubicle. I mean, SpeedcubeShop.
Rubik's. Hey, I saw you last call.
Oh yeah. Hi.
Dude,
What's up, boy?
see.
I was late. I was lazy.
Are you team Cubicle or SpeedcubeShop?
SpeedcubeShop.
I mean, like,
Say that again.
shout out to Pyraminxes in general. I mean, like, look at this. I mean, just effortless. Every alg is just, there's no not effort. Like, are you seeing that?
That Illuminati confirmed?
I think it's 5 by 5.
There you go.
Hey, if you're trying to see me dance, if you saw me dancing to that song.